This soup is too salty. Jack, come here for a second.
What's wrong, Molly?
Can you taste this soup?
Sure, let me try it. Whoa, that is really salty.
I know, I added too much salt.
How much did you put in?
Maybe 2 big spoons.
That's too much for this size pot?
I wasn't paying attention.
It happens. Don't worry.
Can we fix it?
Yes, there are a few ways.
What can we do?
We can add more water.
Will that make it less salty?
Yes, it will dilute the salt.
But then the soup will be thin.
True. We need more vegetables, too.
I have some carrots left.
Good. Carrots will help a lot.
Do we have potatoes too?
Yes, 2 potatoes in the bag.
Potatoes absorb salt, right?
Exactly. That's a great trick.
Let's add both then.
Okay, I'll cut the potatoes.
I'll get more water from the tap.
How much water should we add?
Maybe 1 more cup?
Let's try that first.
Should I turn up the heat?
Keep it on medium for now.
Okay, adding the water now.
I'm cutting the potatoes small.
Small pieces cook faster.
Yes, that saves time.
The carrots are already sliced.
Perfect. Let's add them together.
Here we go.
Stir it well.
I'm stirring now.
Let it simmer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's a long time.
It needs time for the potatoes to cook.
Okay, I'll wait.
While we wait, taste it again in 5 minutes.
Good idea.
Do we have any other vegetables?
I think there's 1 onion.
Onion adds good flavor too.
Should I add it now?
Yes, chop it small first.
Okay, chopping now.
Careful with your fingers.
I'm being careful.
Add it once it's ready.
Done. Adding it in.
Great, now let's wait.
5 minutes have passed.
Let's taste it now.
Here, try this spoon.
Still a little salty.
Really? I thought it was better.
It's better, but not perfect yet.
What should we do now?
We can add a small potato again.
Do we have another one?
Yes, 1 small potato left.
Let's add that too.
Cut it into small pieces.
Okay, cutting it now.
This should help balance the taste.
I hope so.
Let's also add a pinch of sugar.
Sugar? In soup?
Yes, it balances salty flavors.
I didn't know that trick.
My mom taught me that.
Let's try a small amount.
Just half a teaspoon.
Okay, adding it now.
Stir it in well.
Stirring now.
Let it cook 5 more minutes.
All right, I'll wait again.
Patience is important in cooking.
You're right about that.
How does the soup look now?
It looks thicker than before.
That's from the potatoes.
Should we add more water?
Maybe half a cup more.
Okay, adding it slowly.
Don't add too fast.
I'm adding it little by little.
Good. Now stir again.
Stirring now.
Let's taste it one more time.
Here, you try first.
This tastes much better.
Really? Let me taste too.
Go ahead.
Wow, it's actually good now.
I told you it would work.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem. It happens to everyone.
Even you make mistakes cooking?
Of course. Last week I burned rice.
Really? What happened?
I forgot to turn off the stove.
That sounds stressful.
It was. The smell stayed for hours.
At least our soup is fine now.
Yes, and it smells delicious.
Should we add any more spices?
Maybe a little black pepper.
How much should I add?
Just a small pinch.
Okay, adding it now.
That should give it more flavor.
Let's taste it again.
This time, it's perfect.
Finally, I'm so relieved.
See, we fixed it together.
Teamwork really helped.
Should we serve it now?
Yes, let's get the bowls.
I'll get 2 spoons too.
Do you want bread with it?
Yes, that sounds great.
I have some bread in the kitchen.
Perfect. Let's warm it up.
Should I use the oven or the pan?
The pan is faster.
Okay, using the pan then.
Don't burn it like my rice.
Don't worry, I'll watch closely.
Good, I'll pour the soup now.
How many bowls do we need?
Just 2. It's only us.
Okay, here are the bowls.
Pouring the soup now.
It smells really good.
Yes, much better than before.
The bread is almost ready.
Perfect timing.
Let's sit down and eat.
Sounds great to me.
This soup turned out really well.
I'm glad we saved it.
Next time, I'll measure the salt.
That's a good idea.
Thanks again for your help, Jack.
Anytime, Molly. Enjoy your meal.
You too. Let's eat.